Hello guys, Shubham here. So today we are going to see that how you can install Android R developer preview on your Poco F1 very easily in these simple steps. So you just have to follow the video to get Android R installed in your phone. So for this video we need the following files which are stored separately in my phone in the folder Android R. So looking toward the file, as you can see that this is the Pixel ROM, which is the first file. Second is disable force encryption, and third is our Android R developer preview file. You have to install this app which is available in Play Store, and also I will link down in description below. So at the very first time you have to use this app and you have to extract this file into image file. So once you click on extract, the file will get extracted, and as you can see now, the file is being extracted in the format of .image file, which is of 2.56 GB. So that's all files are required for our work. Moving further, you have to go to the recovery of the phone by switching off your phone, or you can also go directly if you have that feature in the ROM itself. So now once you go into the recovery, you have to go to the wipe and wipe the partitions, which is Dalvik Art Cache, Cache, System, Vendor and Data. Make sure that you use the recovery which is the pitch black recovery as I had used, so that you will find the option of vendor to wipe, or else you will not find in any other recovery which is available out now. So as you can see, wiping work is done. Now moving back, we have to again navigate to the folder where we have kept our files to install Android R. So this is our folder where our Android R files are located. As you can see, this is the very first zip we are going to install, which is the Pixel ROM beryllium.ota. This installation might take some time.
Oh my god, it's the
So as you can see that this file has been installed. Now you have to go to the mount and you have to select the vendor. Now as you can see that, and also you know that Pitch Black provides the disable force encryption service, but still for safe side we are going to flash this to successfully install Android R. So as you can see that the disable force encryption has been successfully installed. We have to go back and reboot into system. Now once you reboot into system, it is compulsory that you finish the initial setup, such as setting up your phone completely with all the email addresses, passwords, Wi-Fi settings and everything else. Yes, this step is important. You have to set up your phone completely. So now as you can see that I have set up my device completely. This is the Pixel ROM which I have installed. After setting up your device, again you have to switch off your phone, and by pressing the volume up and power, you have to enter into the recovery mode. Now here again we are on the recovery of our phone. Now this time you have to go to the install and place where install zip was present. You have to click on install image, and automatically you will be able to see this pixel abr.image file. If you are not able to see this file, then again you can navigate to the folder of Android R and you will able to see the file which is available here. So this is the image file which we extracted. Clicking on that, you have to select the option of the system image. After selecting that option, you have to swipe to confirm flash. This flash might take about 1 to 2 minutes, so it will be done quickly. So as you can see that we are finished with our process. Now we have to go back and reboot to system. So let me tell you guys, after flashing this file of GSI of Android R, it will take about 5 to 10 or maybe also 15 minutes to boot, and after 15 minutes you will able to see this boot animation, which is completely different, which is in light mode, which was previously in dark mode. And after 15 minutes your phone will successfully boot, and as you can see, we have booted into the Android R. Now here you go. Now moving towards the setting, as you can see that our Android version is R, which is having the security patch of 5th of March 2020. When you click on the Android R version, still you are able to see the Android 10 Easter egg, because still Android R doesn't have its own Easter egg, and this is just a developer preview. So you will see the 10 Easter egg. So here it is, Android R in your phone installed. To be honest, giving the final opinion, then this developer preview is not that stable and you cannot use it as a daily driver. But still, if you want to try this one, you can surely try and see that how Android R actually looks like and how it is made after the incremental update of Android Q. So until then, that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, comment all of your doubts, and also hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you to the next time. Peace out.